Okay, guys, today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers and...
You could just download another game and play it.
Okay, who cares, but okay. I'm about to be doing a YouTube YouTube video, and hopefully I beat my high score.
Because last just play Snake.io.
Well, I don't know. I don't have that anymore. So I don't know. I just started to play this, so hopefully I beat my high score.
I'm gonna play Bottle Flip. Wait, no. I'm gonna play something. Nintendo. I'm gonna play the Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna play Agar.io. Agar.io.
Okay, good. Good thing I got this thing. Wait, what?
Dude, you should type in keyboards. Like, football keyboard.
Why?
I don't know. I'm getting this one. Ooh, is that Tom Brady?
Oh man.
See, look. Just get this.
Mess.
If you get the keyboard.
Okay, hopefully y'all like this video. Wait. What am I doing? Okay, hopefully y'all like this video, and next time I might have a new person playing, like, as in, like, a new character. Okay, so, bye.